let's jump right into this explainer. What is the actual ultimate purpose of your kitchen anyway?
Think about treating your kitchen not just as a place to cook, but as a real-life health lab.
The core idea? We're ditching empty calories and literally using food as precision medicine.
High heat creates nasty things called AGEs. These harmful compounds trigger cellular inflammation and literally age your body.
High heat destroys water-soluble vitamins, but precision heat, like sous vide, it perfectly locks in those vital amino acids. This is exactly why overboiling veggies is a disaster. It destroys crucial micronutrients and spikes your blood sugar. Fun fact, 60% of your brain is fat, so functional oils are absolutely essential for mental focus. Heating oils past their smoke point triggers lipid oxidation, turning those healthy fats into highly toxic free radicals. So use high smoke point avocado oil for searing and save that antioxidant-rich extra virgin olive oil for slow cooking. We absolutely must eliminate highly processed industrial seed oils. Their omega-6 levels silently cause chronic internal cellular inflammation. Knowing all this, how do we actually structure a meal to fight lifestyle diseases like type 2 diabetes? Here's your peak energy blueprint: half fiber, a quarter bioavailable protein, and the rest low GI complex carbs. This specific nutrient density controls your insulin and naturally stops overeating by effectively suppressing your hunger hormones. The difference here is huge. Ordinary cooks just focus on taste, while certified chefs guarantee exact macronutrient balance. They also shield against cross-contamination. This protection is critical because foodborne illness can absolutely devastate a weakened immune system. For clinical recovery, healing requires a step-by-step diet. Start with highly bioavailable proteins like bone broth for tissue repair. True culinary medicine goes deeper. It tailors every single ingredient to fit your highly unique biological and metabolic profile. By empowering household staff and women with these nutrition skills, we're literally creating an army of health advocates. This paradigm shift has a massive impact. It transforms entire communities by managing health right from the cutting board. I'll leave you with this. Are you finally ready to upgrade your kitchen into a personal wellness clinic?